All right, I want to cut across for our political face-off. Thank you, Suesha, for joining us and giving us the details. Joining me, Niyuma Gupta, BJP spokesperson, environmentalist and a lawyer. Somnath Bharti, former minister, Delhi government, Aam Aadmi Party. I'd like to begin with Niyuma on this. Niyuma, it does seem that Majinder Sirsa might have said that it will rain in 4 minutes or at best in an hour. We are still waiting for that rain to happen. Now, when you look back, possibly the green crackers wasn't quite a good idea where Delhi was concerned, and also the feasibility of cloud seeding in question.
Good evening. So, we are doing this with the IIT Kanpur, and obviously there are always risks involved, but this is as scientific as it can get when it comes to steps being taken. And reasonable studies have shown that green crackers did cause a spark, but did they cause such a pollution rise? No, but that's a separate chapter altogether. When it comes to today, 8 flares were released across multiple areas, as your colleague said, such as Khekra, Burari, North Karol Bagh, all from the Cessna aircraft. Now, when the seeding was done, it was found that the clouds had a humidity of about 30%. We have to wait for, about 5 to 6 hours to actually see this. And over a period of time, more and more of these tests are going to happen. If it works, it's going to be a major relief for Delhi's winter pollution. And I'm reasonably sure it should work, because if you see a comparative study, when it happened in Maharashtra, it was to mitigate drought. It happened in Karnataka when it came to the Varshdhare for agriculture, even in Telangana to boom rainfall. Even though it was done for different reasons and purposes, it was a success. And if you think about it, it's been also globally successful. Countries like China, UAE have conducted and experienced a lot of success scientifically backed cloud seeding programs. I mean, UAE is actually more than 170 seeding flights only this year to combat their dry spells. So, Delhi government over here is going to take every possible step. And this is not the only step we are taking, which seems to be a misconception, because from the onset, the day our government came, whether it came to water sprinklers, micro mist spray systems, I mean, mechanical sweepers, anti-smog misting system, all steps are being taken to reduce pollution and remove pollution. We are carrying a baggage whereby, if you just logically see the dust on the Delhi roads, even though you're using water sprinklers, it has to be done non-stop and over a period of time. So we are walking our talk when it comes to what we intend to do for Delhi.
All right. But okay, Niyuma, the sheer fact that you are an environmentalist, we all know and understand that there is a flip side to cloud seeding as well, as witnessed in the countries that you've detailed. Some of them have completely discontinued cloud seeding, and China being one of them, because there is a near danger of chemicals like silver iodide to actually percolate where the soil is concerned. So there is a flip side to it. But having said that, I want to bring in the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson, Somnath Bharti. Somnath Bharti, many would say today the Aam Aadmi Party is complaining, but at least the BJP is trying. Because when your party was in power, you spoke about cloud seeding. You spoke about exactly what the BJP is doing, but you never did it. At least there is an effort being made.
Yeah, Preeti, very, I would like to thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak on this. See, there is a tweet from BJP Delhi dating 10th of November 2017. I would like to show to your viewers. It says, why showering water from helicopters will not help. Must read this article. Dear Kejriwal ji, please do not run away from your responsibilities by talking illogical and impractical things. But it's BJP, and then you will forgive them. There is an article today which says that why cloud seeding is not a solution to Delhi's air pollution crisis. It is from IIT Delhi. There are 2 senior professors from IIT Delhi who have written this article, giving lengthy explanations why this will not work. And then they've also given the cost, that on and average it's going to cost 1 lakh per kilometer for one, once this cloud seeding work, and which will be costing approximately 15 crores for each artificial rain. So I'm giving these facts for your viewers to appreciate what was then and what is now. Number 2, Mr. Sirsa categorically stated that we'll be doing this artificial rain just after Diwali because they wanted to contain the pollution. They did not do that. Third, How do they maintain AQI? Look at the fraud. The AQI monitoring station, the water sprinklers are being used in and around the monitoring station so that the AQI does not get registered properly. That's why it was flip-flopped. Fourth, look at the way they wanted to create a perception that Jamuna is clean. I mean, they have created two Yamuna. One artificial Yamuna ji for Honorable Prime Minister, and second for Purvanchali brothers and sisters, the dirty Yamuna. Amazing.
Okay.
I mean, still you will not question them. Why will the media not
All right.
question them? I did not
I'm going
see
to bring
any,
it back, Neoma,
prime
Neoma
time
Gupta
show.
on this, and I'll give you an opportunity to come out with a counter as well. But Neoma Gupta, the question is, 3 crores have already been spent where cloud seeding is concerned. There, evidence stands. We don't quite know. It can be, it's contentious whether cloud seeding works or not. Something which has been detailed by Somnath Bharti in the various charges then the BJP had made at the possibility of cloud seeding. Number one. Number two, Neoma Gupta, your party also faces with the charge coming at the back of Chhath Puja of trying to create a mirage where a clean Yamuna is concerned, where you actually built, a quadrant where filtered water was being taken. Is that correct? That's the charge.
So, Preeti, first at the onset, I want to clarify I'm not an environmentalist. I had told your team about that as well. Okay. So, in the last
We
few
take
months,
that back. We'll correct that.
thank you. In the last few months, more work has been done than I would say in the lost decade of Aam Aadmi's governance for this city. I'll just tell you vis-a-vis Yamuna. More than 1,500 metric tons of garbage have been removed. The 22 large drains flowing into the river have been desilted and are functioning properly. Also, new STPs are being constructed and old ones have been repaired. And thus, all the 37 STPs right now are fully functional and they're not lying in disrepair. So, I mean, a step further, the DGP has also constructed 3 new water treatment plants proposed in locations. In fact, to come around here and say that we are just doing it for religious purposes is factually incorrect because we've been working on this the day we came into power since then, and it's all over the social media of all the teams which have been involved. So to come here and tell me that we are only doing this for religious benefit is not a factually correct statement. Secondly, when it comes to the fact that when you start a new process, this is the first time Delhi is going to be experiencing artificial rain. There are multiplicity of scientific factors which come into play. Just because today we've seen that the rainfall has not come, we cannot diss it. We are going to give multiple trials to it. And yes, we have a suitable budget to ensure we take every steps to do constructive removal of pollution. And we are not just doing make-believe steps. I mean, when it comes to the previous government, even if I criticize it,
I'm going to allow you both 1 minute each. I want to bring in Somnath Bharti and I'll come back to you, Neoma. I'm just running short of time, so apologies to the both of you. But Somnath Bharti, in 1 minute, encapsulate and allow me to ask you that question. The Aam Aadmi Party never did anything about pollution actively other than, where it came down to odd and even rule, which was also contended with. The BJP can say we are doing all we can. At least we are trying.
See, I was also fortunately the vice chairman of Delhi Jal Board. And I'm aware, I'm witness to this fact, that 80% of Delhi, we laid the sewerage line. The 37 STPs, 22, we upgraded them. Out of 18 drains which are polluting Yamuna, 15 we had contained. Okay? And 3 of them, which are still polluting Yamuna, one is coming from UP, one is from Haryana. So Delhi contribution is significantly lesser as compared to UP and Haryana. And both are being ruled by BJP government for long. So question is, why to accuse Delhiites when the contribution to Yamuna pollution also coming from Haryana and UP significantly? Number 2, the BJP spokesperson has not answered that where the artificial Yamuna was created or not for Honorable Prime Minister, whether AQI monitoring station was not sprinkled by water to fuzz the data on AQI.
All right, 1 minute.
The question is, They're only
1
trying
minute
to
to
deal in
Neoma
perception.
Gupta to make her
Yeah,
point.
sure.
Neoma Gupta, you have 1 minute.
So
ma'am.
I'll make it very quickly. Since Sir is so privy with so much factual data, I wonder why they were not able to technically sort out the Yamuna. In fact, they spent 7,000 crores or something like some crazy amount of money, but nothing was done except constant PCs where they only blame the center and they continue the sentiment even when they are in opposition. So nothing seems to have changed. When it comes to the desilting of STPs, which was such a small step you could have done in the initial period. In fact, your CM even said he'd take a dubki. It's been rather long that he's done that. Tanker mafia running. There was everything wrong. Even when it came to the AQI, if you recollect, they would constantly say the dust is
Okay.
causing it, this is causing it. So without getting into blame game, BJP is here. We are done with the previous government. We are taking every positive step to make sure Delhi is pollution free.
Okay. All right. I'm going to leave it at that. I appreciate both
Thank
of you for joining us. But, I would think for a lot of Delhi viewers, this is deja vu. Nothing quite has changed on ground. Everything remains the same. The governments have shifted and the opposition is a new one. The incumbent has become the opposition the incumbent. Collateral, Delhi citizens.